Hey guys, Ava here, and I am here today to talk about our Bearcat. It's always a good day when you're talking about the Bearcat because the Bearcat is awesome. All right, well, anyway, in seriousness, there will be a cool presentation about our Bearcat, the CAF SoCal Bearcat, on this Saturday, March 26th, 2022, right here at the CAF hangar at Camarillo Airport at 455 Aviation Drive. I'm pointing to it so you can make sure that's, I don't know if you can tell that's the address. Anyway, so there will be a presentation on the restoration of our Bearcat. Basically, this Bearcat has been featured on my channel. This is what it looked like before the restoration began. It wasn't in a crash or anything. Nothing bad happened. This plane was basically restored on this ramp 30 years ago, and it's just become time for another restoration. So it's began mid 2020 and has been going on till now. So come along and you'll be able to see the Bearcat in its restoration state up close. This is the fuselage and center wing section and the firewall. And so the guy running the operation will be talking, and so will other members of the restoration crew. And so that'll be really cool. You'll be able to learn all about the restoration of not just Grumman Bearcat, but what it takes to restore a warbird. The main guy has restored a warbird before, so it'll be pretty cool. So yeah, if you're in the area, around the area of Camarillo Airport in Southern California, I know most of my subscribers probably don't live around here, but just in case, if this video happens to reach someone in the area, come on by. It's gonna be really cool. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience to learn all about the restoration of Bearcat. So anyway, I'll just show you through these parts laid out here. Got our brakes right there. These are all sorts of control tubes. The ailerons on the Bearcat and also the Hellcat are push-pull tubes and levers and stuff. They're not with cables, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you just get to see all these parts, see everything that makes up Bearcat. These are the intakes that go to the carburetor and oil cooler that are on the wing root, which are pretty cool. Big old oil tank, big old pressure carburetor. What is that? PR58. This goes on the Bearcat's R2800 CB3, which is the model in our Bearcat. The original had a -32W. The original F8F-2 had a -30W, which is a pretty cool engine with a variable speed supercharger. Main landing gear leg. That's the piston. Piston right there. It goes into that's part of the oleo strut. That's the upper hinge of the landing gear, and also all sorts of hydraulic lines. Here is the big ol' Air Products propeller of the Bearcat. I believe it's like an A642. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it up on Friday or something. Do not rotate propeller. Yeah, make sure you don't rotate this propeller because it might start the engine. Cool thing about the propeller on the Bearcat is it is hollow, because the Air Products propeller was originally designed to allow a gun to fire through the hub, since it was used on a P-39. So anyway, yeah, we'd love to have anyone who's interested around. So come on by and learn all about the restoration of the Bearcat. You can also see that's the center section, it's the wings. So yeah, might as well just keep recording and go look at this. So you can see, so the fuselage was, all the parts were initially cleaned, and then paint was all stripped off with chemical cleaner. So this is all stuff they'll be talking about, just the whole process. So yeah, and of course I cannot ignore the cool airplanes that are here that you will also see. Oh yeah, and here's the horizontal stabilizer of the Bearcat. Isn't this super cool? And there's a cool data plate on here, I remember. Yes. See, it says F8F2. NAS Norfolk is where this Bearcat, this particular Bearcat, Bureau number 122674, was stationed at. It was a training airplane at a reserve squadron at NAS Norfolk, I believe. Or a training squadron, something like that. Hello, Messerschmitt. It's always good to see you. Yeah, we have a Messerschmitt BF-108. Isn't that cool? One of 2 outside of Europe that fly. But yeah, just on my way out, might as well. And of course, the good old Hellcat. And the Navion, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So, all right. Guess that's basically everything. So, take care. Hope to see you here if you're around. And if not, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.